dash camera will be smarter and better connected in 2024. You can easily and affordably protect yourself and your family by installing a dash camera. You can record front side, interior side of the vehicle and rear side of the vehicle during the accident or theft. This is Tujamul Adil. Today I'm talking about M580 5K dash camera from AZDOME, which offers 4-inch touchscreen, a free 64GB memory card, rear and interior side of the camera 1080p resolution, also features GPS, night vision, parking mode and much more. A new design with 5 GHz Wi-Fi is featured on the AZDOME M580 dash camera. The 5.8 GHz transmission speed is 4 into 6 times faster than the 2.4 GHz transmission speed. It takes 10 seconds for a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection to download an 800 MB video. On the user-friendly 4-inch touchscreen, you can easily access all the features and settings of the dash camera. The installation of the dash camera is simple and straightforward. The installation of the 3-channel dash camera in any car can be accomplished within less than 30 minutes. Let's start by connecting the USB-C cable to the front dash camera. After installing the interior camera, we need to wire the 3mm jack to it. The cameras come with 3M stickers that need to be removed and placed on the car's front mirror. You now need to install the rear camera in your car, which also comes with a 3M sticker. Place the camera well on the back of the car and adjust the position according to your needs. I am showing you how to adjust the cables as I place them. Make sure you place the cable well and hide it nicely. Lastly but not least, I have plugged all the cables into the dash cameras and hidden the cable inside the car. The dash camera was installed within 30 minutes, and once you start a front camera as standalone, it gives you option of 4K and 5K resolution. A few settings are required at the beginning, such as turning on the time zone, adjusting the date and choosing the language. I switched on the dash camera standalone front camera, which gives you a 5K resolution option. A wide range of features can be adjusted, including WDR, loop recording, codecs, video stamps and G-sensor. There are multiple options in the setup section that can be adjusted. In addition to Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Pro, it features time zone, date and time, date format, screensaver and many other features. Currently, all dash cameras are working properly, and now we have a couple of new options. Let's check it out. Upon clicking on the resolution, you will not find a 5K resolution option, but rather a 2K resolution option with 1080p video. In addition to that, two new options will be available: mirror mode and flip mode with various options. In the setup menu section, however, all the options are similar to what we discussed earlier. The 4-inch touchscreen of M580 dash camera, which allow you to access all kind of features and settings. On the touchscreen, you can switch from the front camera to the interior camera with a single tap, and then to the rear camera with another tap. It is a great feature to be able to watch all videos on your smartphone. You just need to download AZDOME app and turn on the Wi-Fi on the dash camera. The dash camera shows the Wi-Fi connection and the password you need to connect to the network. A connection has been established between the M580 dash camera and the AZDOME mobile app, which allow you to view all the recordings, stop the video and start it again, change camera angles and so on. Lastly, here are the video results of the old dash camera compiled from rainy time, early morning time, afternoon time and night time. Dash cameras are almost mandatory nowadays because they can protect you and your family from accident or theft. AZDOME M580 3-channel 5K dash camera buying price is $239 and you can find the buying links in the video description. Watch this video to learn how dash camera allow me to catch hit and run driver. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.